6 symptoms never to ignore if you have ulcerative colitis. Ulcerative colitis can be very stressful and can cause a lot of daily hurdles. However, at times, people don't understand the signs or symptoms of this disease. So, it is significant to be vigilant about the symptoms that you feel. This video is going to be an eye-opener for you. But before we move ahead, make sure you share this video and like it right away. Welcome to my channel. Before we begin, please go ahead and click the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Abdominal distension. An uncommon, however intense entanglement of ulcerative colitis is a condition called poisonous or toxic colitis, which frequently begins with extreme stomach swelling. Assuming you experience stomach distension joined by fever and agony, look for surefire clinical considerations. An individual with poisonous colitis, by and large, will look and feel seriously sick. Harmful colitis makes the digestive organ grow and become incapacitated. A dangerous circumstance requires quick treatment, conceivably including a medical procedure to eliminate all or part of the colon. Fever. On the off chance that you have ulcerative colitis and foster a fever, contact your medical service supplier. Individuals with ulcerative colitis runs a higher gamble of entanglements like entrail holes, which can cause an interior disease-announced fever. Different side effects of an inside hole can incorporate chills, serious stomach torment, and queasiness or retching. Never accept your fever as being brought about by another disease like the flu. All things being equal, let your medical services supplier assess what is going on and recommend a suitable therapy. Blood in the stool. The ulcers of ulcerative colitis can cause rectal draining that ultimately could prompt pallor or a low red platelet count. If you notice blood in your stool, or on the other hand, if you experience expanding levels of shortcoming or sluggishness, inconvenience pausing to rest after actual effort, or whiteness of the eye's mucous films, see your primary care physician. A straightforward lab test can decide whether you're iron deficient, and your supplier can endorse a drug to treat the issue and assist you with recapturing energy. Spinal pain. Many individuals take corticosteroid drugs to treat irritation caused by ulcerative colitis. These steroid drugs can make bone tissue rigid, prompting breaks of the bone in the spine. If you have this disease and experience new or deteriorating spinal agony, or maybe on the other hand, if you notice your stance has become stooped, tell your primary care physician. Imaging tests like X-ray or MRI can distinguish even the littlest cracks in the vertebrae. Your doctor can foster a treatment intended to really focus on any bone inconveniences that outcome from UC or its treatment. Slow wound healing. The expanding and ulceration of the digestive system brought about by UC can make it hard for your body to ingest sufficient liquids and supplements. For example, the nutrients important to advance injury mending. Different signs and side effects of lack of hydration and hunger can incorporate inclination of cold constantly, loss of muscle versus fat, inconvenience centering or focusing, accidental weight reduction, and exceptionally dry skin. If it takes you longer to recuperate from a cold than others, or on the other hand, if little slices and scraped spots take more time to mend, talk with your medical supplier about an arrangement to guarantee you get satisfactory liquid and sustenance. Mouth ulcers. If an individual has ulcerative colitis, the mouth ulcers, normally called blisters or canker sores, are primarily only a disturbance. In any case, for an individual with UC, the presence of an ulcer might demonstrate a colitis flare is unavoidable. If you notice little sores creating within your lower lip or alongside the underside of your tongue, tell your UC specialist. Your PCP might recommend a sedated mouthwash to assist with recuperating the injuries and screen your UC more intently until the ulcers clear up.